Let's now take a look at the rank method, and to do so, we're reading the movie data set, and just select a subset of the columns and only the first 5 rows as well. So call this movie 5 like this. Okay, so here's movie 5, and a lot of people get confused between sorting and ranking. Ranking does not sort this data set, so the index and the columns will remain the same. If we call it by default, it will literally give it a rank. Each one of these values a rank. So each column is ranked independently, right, with the lowest number given rank 1. So for year, we'll see that Pirates of the Caribbean will given a rank 1, and then Avatar 2, Dark Knight Rises 3, and Spectre 4. So if we do that, you can see the ranking. It's easier, string columns are also ranked just like that. Here is duration from least to greatest, right? So the ties, we talked about that with the series, so I'm not going to go over that again, but used average by default. So you can change the method of ranking using the method parameter, and you have to know which one is. So we can say min rank. So notice director Facebook, these are 2 zeros, so they're going to be both given the least or the minimum one, which is 1. So every column is ranked independently, no sorting is happening, and of course you can rank it in the opposite direction, right? So this is the one with the highest number will get ranked 1, which makes more sense in a lot of situations. So you can say, duration, Avatar is the longest movie, Pirates of the Caribbean is the second longest movie, and so forth. All right, so that is it for ranking columns in a data frame.